Hello everyone. Today I will be taking up one of the elements of promotion mix, that is sales promotion. We have completed advertising and personal selling. Publicity also I will be explaining in brief because it is removed from syllabus, and also not much is given on that topic. So, just to give you a brief idea, we are on the last P of 4 P's of marketing or marketing mix, that is product, price, place, and promotion. So, we have already in this promotion mix, we have understood the advertising and personal selling. Now, we are moving ahead with the sales promotion. Sales promotion is nothing but the short term incentives. It means those pictures or those graphics or those ads which would grab your attention immediately and would force you or tempt you to buy, right? Such short term schemes are known as sales promotions. Same reading its meaning, it refers to short term incentives which are designed to encourage the buyers to take immediate purchase of a product or service. For example, on Amazon, say big Indian festival, or on Mintra end of reason sales, or on any other brand, say 30% off, or say on Khadim's flat 50% off, on Woodland, say flat 30% off. Such schemes are for short terms, and they would encourage, they would tempt you, they would urge you, so that at least you would glance at it, and that would make you a potential buyer. You may not purchase it right away, but you may keep that in mind, and you may visit it when still the schemes are going on. And if it is an online platform, you would certainly browse, right? And you unknowingly, you might also start filling in your wish list, as they say, or you start adding certain things in your cart. So these are short term schemes or short term incentives. So promotion is the sales promotion, the two words are not exactly what it means. Here it means that promoting your goods or services through certain schemes, short term incentives or short term schemes, that is known as sales promotion. So here you are promoting your sales through giving certain packages, certain offers, that is known as sales promotion. So this includes all promotional. Yes. So any other thing apart from the schemes and discounts and other offers, if in a case it is given that a company has invented, say, a coronavirus vaccine, then it may be covered as a part of good news by media itself, and it is not paid for by the company probably. So that is part of publicity, right? Or else a company is giving advertisements in leading dailies, in leading newspapers or channels. From its own side, it is advertisement, right? And personal selling is entirely different. So in a case study, if all these are given, it is very easy to identify what sales promotion is, because sales promotion is always done through various schemes and offers which are short term in nature, right? While publicity is entirely different. Personal selling is when you have face to face interaction, and advertisement is very general, you do not know who your target customer is, right? Okay, third point is companies use sales promotion tools specifically designed to promote promote to customers, tradesmen or middlemen, and to salesperson. This includes all those activities that are used to provide short term incentives. So in this sales promotion, it is not only for the customers, it is also for the tradesmen or any intermediary in the supply chain, or to a salesperson also. For example, to a customer you may give certain promotional schemes like free samples, discounts, contests. To tradesmen and middlemen, it means to your wholesalers or your agents or your retailers, you may give promotional schemes like say cooperative advertising, means half of the advertising cost would be borne by them, half would be by the other party, that is wholesaler or retailer. Dealer discount, buy 10 and get 1 free, right? That is a dealer discount. Or buy 100 and you will get 10% discount. These all are dealer schemes because hundreds won't be bought by a single customer. or dealer incentives and contests. So if you are achieving certain targets, right, then as a dealer you would be given this holiday package. So that is also a promotional scheme, not for a consumer but for an intermediary. So in this way also you can promote your sales being a manufacturer, but being a retailer you cannot give certain, like you cannot give the schemes which are there on the bulk selling, because you know that your consumers are not going to buy in bulk. So sales promotion is not limited to the end user, but that also can be made for the intermediaries like wholesalers or other traders like retailers or agents or dealers, even your salesmen, right? You may offer your salesman commissions on and above the salary. Over and above the salary, you may say that if you are achieving the target of XYZ rupees, you are given 10% commission on your additional sales. So that is also a sales promotion for salesman, right? Let us see the merits. There are 3 merits. Attention value. Yes, it grabs the people's attention. Say with this is a winter season, the offer is buy one Vaseline bottle and you'll get another free. And that also would be kept in a certain way that it catches your eyes, right? So that is attention value. These schemes normally the graphics are used in a such a manner, then the colors, the animations, the designs are used in a way that it grabs your attention. So yes, sales promotion has attention values which no other has. एडवर्टीजमेंट में भी इतना आपका अटेंशन, हाँ अगर एडवर्टीजमेंट में भी ये स्कीम्स या डिस्काउंट का कुछ लिखा हो, आप 2 मिनट उसके सामने देखोगे, right? So sales promotion schemes would always have attention values that it successfully grabs people's attention towards it. Useful in new product launch. Yes, see, the sales promotional activities induce customers, it motivates, it encourages, it tempts to break away from your regular buying behavior and try new product. For example, you have been using XYZ cream for winters for years, or lip balm for that matter, but if you see certain very attractive scheme or discount in another known brand, you may tempt to give it a try, right? So it breaks you from your regular behavior, buying behavior, and it tempts you to buy something new. हो सकता है वो नई चीज़ आपको पसंद आए, आप पुराने को भूल जाओ. So sales promotion tools help to introduce new products. Then comes synergy. Synergy means synergy in total promotional efforts. Sales promotion would complement and supplement the other promotional tools like ads and personal selling. मान लो कि आपका सेल्समैन मार्केट में गया है फॉर पर्सनल सेलिंग, ठीक है, पर्सनल सेलिंग भी नो नाउ फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन, या तो आपका कोई वॉक इन कंज्यूमर है आपके स्टोर के अंदर. So apart from your sales personal selling efforts, if you have certain schemes, discounts and offers, you can attract that customers to buy into your goods very easily, right? So synergy in total promotional efforts कि आपके अदर जो भी एडवर्टीजमेंट टूल आप यूज़ करते हो या सेल्स फ्रॉम पर्सनल सेलिंग यूज़ करते हो या आपके बारे में पब्लिसिटी बहुत हो रही है, ये सारी चीज़ को ये जो सेल्स प्रमोशन टेक्निक्स है वो सप्लीमेंट करेगी, उसको हेल्प करेगी आगे जाने के लिए. सो दैट इज सिनर्जी. लेट अस सी द लिमिटेशंस. Reflex crisis. Yes, if you keep on giving so much of schemes and other activities so that you can encourage frequent buying, right, then it may give an impression to customers that the firm is unable to create natural demand, right? So that is the reason you are giving so many schemes, because you do not have any natural buyers. So it may send a message that the company is clearing the stock, or the company is facing quality issues, or there is certain defect or damage in the product or services. That is the reason such big company is giving good discounts, right? तो आपको प्रमोशनल स्कीम्स रखने में ये भी ध्यान रखना होगा कि ये आपके ऊपर ही ना आ जाए पूरा कि आपका कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा, इसलिए आपने ये इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. स्पॉइल्स प्रोडक्ट इमेज. Too many promotional activities may affect the product's image. Customers may feel that the product may not be of good quality, or the company is trying to do a distress sale, right? तो ये चीज़ें भी आपको इसमें, when you are designing your promotional activities, not only the amount of such activities but also frequency has to be monitored. Okay. In my next video, I will be posting commonly used sales promotion techniques. Very interesting. It is given इन डिटेल इन अर्ली तो नोट आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू गो थ्रू इट वंस, क्योंकि ये केस स्टडी में या तो 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन में इसमें से बहुत क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं. ओके, टिल देन प्लीज स्टे सेफ, स्टे ब्लेस्ड. थैंक यू.